Should have washed it.
Why would you live in the area?
We are at Maribel Caves.
And the pole went under it. I'm like, I lost my head. Oh my God. Hi.
Are you having fun, Grayson? Yeah, what are you eating there? Grapes? There's Annalise. A lot of clams here. Annalise, where's the clams? I know, I saw some of them drop. Let's go. That's okay. That's
Why
okay.
didn't you pick them up?
I wasn't sure if it was yours. Okay, come on, we gotta keep up with everybody.
You saw them drop?
Yep.
How much?
Oh, just like one. Not a lot. Looks like there's a broken bridge ahead.
My shirt.
Oh, go get it. Pick it up. Hurry up, buddy. Is pipe broken? Oh no. Bring it. We gotta look at this broken bridge.
Go. One at a time.
Guys, one at a time.
It's not gonna break. Go.
I'm a bat. You can't
Ian,
kill
what do you think you weigh? 100 pounds? Wait, Ian, how much you weigh?
Oh my God! It's gonna break! It's gonna break!
He thought the bridge was falling because this what he
Come on, Tutu, hurry up. Hurry up, Tutu. Oh crap, the bridge is falling.
Oh, this is kind of scary. It's all slanted. This is definitely not safe.
This is still not shelling yet.
Don't, Cinna! Why do you keep pounding like that?
Whoa!
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is
We didn't take this bridge coming the way here. Are we sure we're taking the right path?
Ooh, that was pretty bad.
I think I'm gonna die.
Can you guys imagine these are the paths that the Thailand have to take to the garden in Laos?
I think I'm gonna die.
Along the river, and then when they go take a bath, they take a bath in the rivers like this.
I'd rather just stay home.
This is what me and Dad are gonna do in Thailand.
Well, I feel bad for you guys.
You guys will be a little smelly when you guys come back.
When you guys come back, you guys ain't my parents. You guys be looking like potatoes. You guys be looking like potatoes.
Woo! He can hear you. Ah! What about? Hobby! Careful.
Over here, your Gucci shoes be dirty now.
Buy your fish. Santi, give this fish a
Hey.
Wait.
I need to wash my butt off. Here you go.
Dude, can you wash my butt for me too?
I got it! No, you did not.
Come on, dude, wash my butt for me too.
I'll wash it, Sina.
It's cunning.
It's dirty, come on. Oh, really? You're gonna wash it? You have to scrub it.
Ah, do that. That's how you get it. Wash. Help me.
Bye, Mom. I'm going to be gone.
No. It's getting down there.
Look, I got you a really big guy.
Kevin.
Right here, right here. Right here. See?
Catch it.
What? I'm too scared. I hear you, but I can't see.
Crayfish.
Don't come over here. Crayfish are over here. Is it gone? I believe I can fly. I believe
Get back over here, please.